These insights brought to you by Mersita. These insights brought to you by Mersita.
We're seeing an improvement in terms of our sales. I think that the economy is picking up as we've seen that there's been an increase in motor vehicle sales. But I think Renault is very well positioned in terms of where we are. We have over the past period of time introduced 10 new vehicles into our range. So we've totally renewed our range. We've also brought in the Sandero, which is a locally produced vehicle, which has filled a gap in the AB segment, and we're doing very well in terms of that, and we're very happy with the growth. So yes, we are seeing an upturn in terms of growth, and we're rather excited about that.
What are Renault's innovative strategies going forward?
I think there are two sides to it. There's the product, and we've certainly done a lot of work in terms of our product. And then there's the other side of preparing your workforce so that your workforce are motivated and driven to sell the product. And we have a very strong, in-depth Renault Sales Way program, which we're busy having unit standard aligned, where we are training our workforce to make them reliable, enthusiastic, and brand ambassadors. And I think it's as being a brand ambassador and loyal to your product that you start to see a growth, and it's easier to sell the product when you're totally committed to it.
What is Renault South Africa contributing to skills development?
We have a number of ways that we work with it. We obviously have a head office where we deal with development of staff, and I've just spoken about our graduate internship program, which is our way of helping young South Africans make the gap from getting their degree and getting into the workplace, and we have a program that facilitates that for them. Obviously our network is very important for us, and we have very strong programs that support our network, which in the end supports our clients and our customers at the end of the day, so that they have a high standard of consistent service regardless of which Renault dealership they go to.
Yeah, what has been the outcome thus far of this graduate internship?
Well, for me it's a highly, I'm very committed to the program, and we've seen just over 30 graduates go through our organization. Not all of them have stayed with us, but we've seen their careers grow, and we've seen these young graduates have made the transition from being a graduate to being work ready and being able to find positions and grow their careers. So I think in that in itself is very successful. Even if we don't hold them with ourselves, they are made available to the greater South African economy.
Yeah. In terms of skills development, what are some of the trends that you're seeing within the sector? Are you seeing there's a great deal of shortage right from the base level?
Yes, I think there is. I think that I'm sure that a number of dealerships, you have many people who've worked as repair shop assistants for many years, and I think the wonderful thing about having programs like recognition of prior learning, you can elevate these people from being a repair shop to actually being a qualified journeyman, and then his earning capacity becomes greater, and we know that as an earning capacity becomes greater, it affects the whole family. So I think we've seen the trend of being able to do recognition of prior learning. There is a definite gap between youngsters that come out of school and it's been spoken about widely in the last day and a half about that gap. So you start to find that it's very difficult to find youngsters become apprentices, to become trained as technicians, which is some of the skills challenges that you definitely find.
What are you hoping a conference of this nature will achieve?
Sure, I think there's so many challenges that face the whole education sector and the workplace, and forging links between the two. But I think what it does is it highlights small pockets of excellence that are happening, and also highlights that each person it highlights that you can do something, and there is so much being done in order to try and alleviate the problem. And hopefully it helps the different organizations start working together to say, yes, I can do that. What if we do this? Does this help? Can this help? What if? And also I can really get a sense that there are a lot of challenges that face the great thinkers. So an exposure like this gives them an understanding of the realities and the practical realities of implementing strategy.
These insights brought to you by Mersita. These insights brought to you by Mersita.